This is how it's done. Okay, so we got that adapter for antenna. On 2001 Z3 we're going to replace this radio factory with this one, Aftermarket. First, let's get rid of this popsicle, just like that. And let's get some wiring going. Okay, so we are going to get rid of this cable. We don't need it. Okay, goodbye my friend. It was good to have you. Goodness, the positive cable. This is like from the starter of the submarine. Really thick. What I love it, good job BMW, they did this twist together. So this is front right speaker, this color, blue and brown with a little line. We got 2 and 11 on the pin. So we are working on front right. We got 3 and 12 for rear left. 3, this is blue, positive for speaker. Alright, last one, rear right. On the BMW it will be a 6 and 14. Pin 6 will be a positive, this one, and the 14. Let's connect them. Let's see, on and off. One thing that I don't like, when you turn off, the time still shows, so I might end it up untie these 2 wires and connect the red to accelerate wire, which is thick purple. Goodness, wires here are thick. Okay, so let's turn on. The radio is on. Antenna not connected because I need a European to American adapter. And let's see, FM, put it a little bit. And it is not working, but it's all connected properly. So 16 number right here wire, I took the blue one, antenna wire, and went through a few of them. Doesn't work, but when I plug into 16 connected, now it's working. So that means I'm going to connect this one to white, number 16. On, illuminates, beautiful, awesome. We plugged in the red from the stereo, from the radio, to purple, yellow to red, that's like a memory wire, black to brown. I was wondering why cars have a brown instead of the black to black. Well, that's their thing. And definitely do not forget the remote wire to this one, what it's called, the AT, the auto antenna wire, to this one, whatever color on your vehicle. And the rest of it, pretty simple. Speakers, negative and positive sides. Whoops. Alright, beautiful. Fits pretty good. Without antenna, and after I was done, they have instruction in Russian. Are you serious? Like 2 of them, English and Russian. Автомобильное магнитоло. Goodness, those such words. Slot для карты памяти, трек вперед. So apparently this one 10 tracks ahead. Goodness, no thank you. I mean, it's nice, but in English it is easier for me now to read. Thank you, English language. Alright, you're pretty much done. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.